Welcome to Facts TV News, where everything is true. Another nurse dies from COVID-19. A 40-year-old Jamaican nurse has died from COVID-19. The health worker, Annette White-Bess, worked at the front line at the Percy Junior Hospital in Manchester. White-Bess died from complications of COVID on Tuesday, less than a week after falling ill. She reported to work last Wednesday and began showing virus symptoms the next day. We mourn with her family members, her friends, with the staff of the Percy Junior Hospital, and indeed the entire public health fraternity. Her passing is very regrettable, and at such a young age, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton noted. She was on the front line, giving all the effort, the commitment, the dedication to fight COVID, to saving lives, and we honor her and her memory for that contribution, the minister added. While Bess is the fourth nurse to have died from COVID-19 since the pandemic reached Jamaica shore last March, Tufton said that the loss brings into focus the risk to which public health workers are exposed as they seek to serve the population. It is a hazard of the job, and we always fear the worst outcome, the minister added. The Ministry of Health and Wellness has reported 1,268 related deaths. As of Wednesday, 27 deaths have been reported in the past 2 weeks. Jamaica is currently experiencing a third wave of the virus, and the Health Ministry said that the current numbers are at the levels where they peaked in March and April when Jamaica experienced the second wave of the virus. Jacqueline Bisosa McKenzie, the Chief Medical Officer, said that there has been an increase in the number of admissions to hospitals across the country. The CMO said the average number of admissions per day is 70, which is higher than the average admission at the peak of last year's surge in March and April. During the last surge, bed occupancy peaked at just more than 700. Bisosa McKenzie said that there were more than 600 beds are occupied, with persons who are either confirmed to have the disease or have been categorized as suspected. We are fast approaching that peak, which would put us in a very dangerous zone in terms of the threat to the care for COVID patients in our care, the CMO said. Said that the level of transmission is very high and the positivity rate is dangerously high. 4 people escape harm as car catches fire in Manchester. 4 people escaped serious injury after the motor vehicle in which they were traveling caught fire and later exploded on the Winston Jones Highway Friday afternoon. According to the Jamaica Fire Brigade JFB, the driver of the vehicle observed fire coming from the vehicle's engine. The occupants managed to exit the vehicle and with the help of others retrieve important documents and their belongings, said a JFB source. The Mandeville Fire Station was alerted of the fire at 2:18 p.m. and responded with a unit. The motor vehicle was completed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell for daily updates.